This brand is manufactured by Phoenix Manufacturing Inc. and is sold through Ace Hardware stores as well as the Home Depot and Walmart, but their warranty is not as good as some of the other brands. The units offer a 4x4 high-efficiency media for added cooling capacity and their ProClean system which drains and washes the unit each day. They also feature ProArmor plastic-coated inner structure and a powder-coated exterior for durability. All of the units feature their mirror-scopic polished blower shaft which is highly polished to minimize friction, but they use belt-drive motors which are noisier and less efficient than other brands. The units have electronic controls with a remote for convenience, but the louvers on the unit are set manually and do not oscillate, which does not do as good of a job of circulating the air. This brand receives an overall 4-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.